Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly had it, Dolly! What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I'll ring for Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car and drives straight to playgroup. Nino, 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 Nino. I've got a cough, says Pedro when Dr. Brown Bear arrives.
It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear, but it may